Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can free up storage on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. There are a few things that we can do in order to free up some space. So the first thing that we can do is go to the settings, then scroll down and find storage and then go there. Over here you can see everything in categories, what you have on your device and how much space it takes. So we can enable the storage manager in order to let the device be managed by the storage app over here. But that is not all, of course. This is just some way to help us keep the storage quite clean. Another thing that we can do is, for instance, go to settings one more time, but this time we want to find the apps category, and then let's go there. And over here we can go to unused apps, and if there are any apps that you didn't use for a long time, then your Motorola will suggest them over here, and you may consider deleting them. Another thing is that we can go to Google Files. So let's open Google and then go to Files. And over here we can also manage and clean up our device. Tap on these three dots in the top left corner, and then over here you can choose Clean. Over here you might have some junk files which can be removed by tapping this Clean button here, and then confirm that you want to remove those temporary files. And another thing is that if you delete something, if you delete some files like pictures, photos, and videos, etc., then they are moved to trash. So we can go to trash over here, and then we can select files that we want to completely remove forever. Because when we delete something from the Files app, then it goes to trash for 30 days. And if you don't do anything with them for 30 days, then they are removed automatically. But you can also manually remove everything by tapping on the circle at the top, and then you have delete. You can also, of course, choose what you want to delete. You don't have to delete everything. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.